fine? All are happy? Welcome to Cambridge Biology. Today we talk about chromosomal disorder. What is that? Chromosomal disorder. Okay. Any extra addition of chromosome or any loss of chromosome from the normal diploid set is called chromosomal disorder. Okay, try to understand what is this. Okay, any extra addition of chromosome or loss of chromosome from normal diploid set. That is, in case of which one organism 2n chromosomes are found, मतलब diploid set. Okay, any addition मतलब 2n plus 1 or 2n plus 2. Extra addition 2n plus 1 or 2n plus 2. It is are chromosomal disorders. Yes, or loss of 2n minus 1 or 2n minus 2. These are also chromosomal disorders. Any extra addition or any loss of chromosome from the normal diploid set, we can call that chromosomal disorder. Try to understand. Take an example. In case of human, 2n is equal to 46. Okay, if a person have 47 chromosomes instead of 46, then it goes with chromosomal disorder. Okay, if a person contains 45 chromosomes instead of 46, that means that person going with chromosomal disorder. Okay, so this is the basic fundamental about chromosomal disorder. Yes. Try to focus mind in which one. You know, chromosomes are of how many types? Two types. The first one is autosome and the second one is known as which one? Allosome. Okay, try to focus mind. Autosome. These chromosomes carry genes for body character. Those chromosomes carry genes for body character. We can call that zome, autosome. Yes. What is allosome? The chromosomes carry genes for sex character. Okay, they are called allosomes or sex chromosomes. You know already this. So chromosomes are of two types. One is called autosome and the second one is what is that? Allosome. Yes. If we are talking about similar manner, the chromosomal disorders is of. If we are talking about the chromosomal disorder is of two types. Yes. In the similar, right? The first one, if you're talking about first one, you already know that. So just see here. Right? The chromosomal disorder is of two types. One is called autosomal disorder and the second one is called allosomal disorder. Okay? If the extra addition of or loss of autosome express. If extra addition of or loss of autosome express to normal diploid set, then it is called then it is called autosomal disorder. Take an example. If extra addition of, in case of human female, 44 plus XX chromosomes are found, normal. Okay, and try to guess minor in case of rhesus female, normal female. Okay, in case of normal male, 44 plus XY. Yes, you already know that. Okay, that means try to guess minor. If a person develops 45 plus XX or a female develops 45 plus XX, that here one extra autosome is added. Okay, try to guess minor, then we can call it autosomal disorder. Here, in case of normal male, try to guess minor. In case of normal male, 45 plus XY. That means this male going with which disorder? Autosomal disorder. Yes. Or try to guess minor. A person going with 43 plus XX. मतलब a female going with 43 plus XX. मतलब here normal autosome is 44, but here it contains 43. Another loss of which one? Autosome. So it is a which disorder? Autosomal disorder. If this one, try to guess minor 43 plus XY. That means this male going with which one? Autosomal disorder containing one autosome less. So this is the basic fundamental about autosomal disorder. Yes, clear? The example is Down syndrome. Okay, the best example, what is basically which one available in which one CHS syllabus, that is Down syndrome. Okay, try to guess. It is due to extra addition of a chromosome. Yes, extra addition of a autosome, that is 45 plus XX in female and 45 plus XY in male. Okay, we are talking about which one? Let us focus about which one. Clear? What is autosomal disorder? It is due to extra addition or loss of autosome. Extra addition of autosome or loss of autosome. Okay, to the normal diploid set. To the normal diploid set. Then we can call that autosomal disorder. Clear? If we talk about what is allosomal disorder, it is due to extra addition of or loss of sex chromosomes, or we can call that sex chromosome, otherwise called zooms, allosomes, from normal diploid set. Okay, it is due to extra addition of or loss of sex chromosomes or allosomes from normal diploid set. Try to understand. In case of normal female 44 plus XXY, try to guess minor. In a female, we have found that 44 plus XXX. Normal female, this is 44 plus XX. Okay, here another X chromosome is added. It is due to extra addition of one sex chromosome. So it is a which one? Allosomal disorder. Okay, you can try to understand this one. Okay, in case of male, try to understand which one. In case of male, this is a normal male, and try to guess one X is added. Okay, this is one which one. Instead of 2, here another one sex chromosome is found. Yes, try to guess minor. This is also a which disorder? Allosomal disorder. Okay, or you can another way. Try to guess minor. Here 44 plus XX. The normal female, here one X is lost. That means 44 plus X0. Here the total chromosome is 45 instead of 46. So this is a allosomal disorder. Okay, try to guess minor. In another person, you can find out which one. Try to guess one is a normal male. Okay, 44 plus XY. Here one X chromosome is lost. That means yes, try to guess minor. It is a allosomal disorder. Okay, try to understand. It is due to extra addition of sex chromosomes or loss of sex chromosomes. We can call that allosomal disorder. Yes. If we talk about examples, the best example to it is basically available in your syllabus, that is Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, try to guess. The best example is Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, another example is Turner's syndrome. Which syndrome? Turner's syndrome. These are the two best examples of allosomal disorder is Klinefelter syndrome and Turner's syndrome. Okay, try to guess, my dear. Today, first talk about Klinefelter syndrome. First, we are talking about which one? Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, let us focus. Right? Let us focus, my dears. Now we are talking about Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, right. First one. If we are talking about one by one, you can first understand. It is first identified by one scientist whose name is known as H.F. Klinefelter. Okay, one scientist is known as which one? Whose name is known as H.F. Klinefelter. In the year of 1942, he identified Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, the Klinefelter syndrome was identified by H.F. Klinefelter in the year of 1942. Yes, you take the next one. It is a already talk, which disorder? Allosomal disorder. Okay, it is which disorder? Allosomal. It is due to extra addition of. It is an allosomal disorder. Okay, that it is due to extra addition of. Okay, it is due to extra addition of one X chromosome in man. It is a disorder, it is an allosomal disorder due to extra addition of one X chromosome in case of male. Try to understand. Yes. In case of male, this is XY, this is a normal male. It is due to extra addition, means this much. One extra addition. Okay, so try to focus, my dear, which one? So here 44, 45, 46, 47. So in this disorder, in this type of disorder, or in this type of disorder, person have 47 chromosomes, 44 plus 3. 47 chromosomes instead of 46. Okay, instead of 46. Okay, clear? Normal have 46. So these persons are going with Klinefelter syndrome. They contain 47 chromosomes. Okay, clear? Next point. The karyotype is karyotype matlab the total number of chromosomes according to their autosome and allosome. Yes, the karyotype is 44 in that person, 44 number of chromosomes, autosomes. Apart from that, 3 sex chromosomes. So karyotype is 44 plus XXY. Clear? The karyotype is which one? 44 plus XXY. Clear? Next point. Here this person contain which one? 1, 2, 3 number of sex chromosomes. The person contains 3 sex chromosomes. So called trisomy of sex chromosomes. Okay, another one point. Which one? Klinefelter syndrome is due to 3 sex chromosomes, so called trisomy of which chromosomes? Sex chromosomes. Okay, try to guess my dear. So this is a basic introduction which one are about Klinefelter syndrome. It is identified by H.F. Klinefelter in the year of 1942. Okay, it is a which disorder? Allosomal disorder. मतलब which one? Due to which one? Extra addition of which chromosome? Sex chromosome. It is due to extra addition of one X chromosome in case of male. Okay. In this type of disorder, person have 47 chromosomes instead of which 46. Okay, and try to focus on the karyotype is 44 plus XXY. Okay, it is due to trisomy of which chromosomes? Sex chromosomes. Clear? Try to focus mind if you take on the next one. What is the next part? Try. If we talk about the next part of the Klinefelter syndrome, okay, you have to know about Barr-Body. Okay, you know Barr-Body. Barr-Body, the number of Barr-Body or Barr-Body is equal to number of X chromosome minus 1. Number of Barr-Body is equal to how many Barr-Body is found. That means number of Barr-Body is equal to number of X chromosome minus 1. Okay, try to understand. In case of human male, normal human male, chromosome number is 44 plus XY. So which one? Here number of X chromosome, which one is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to Barr-Body is 0. Yeah, X chromosome 1, number of X chromosome 1, and which one minus 1? Which one? Number of Barr-Body is equal to 0. Yes, in which one? Normal man, number of Barr-Body is equal to 0. Normal human male. Okay, try to guess my next one. Okay, and try to guess my which one? When we talking about Klinefelter male, Klinefelter's male, karyotype is 44 plus XXY. That means number of X chromosome is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. One important question. The male going with Klinefelter syndrome have one who is body Barr-Body. Important question. Okay. The male going with Klinefelter syndrome have one which body Barr-Body. That's the important part. The male going with Klinefelter syndrome have one which body Barr-Body. Clear? So this is the basic idea about which one Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, next one. Right. This is a male, normal male, right? This is a female, right? This male, normally, which one it contains 44 plus XY. Here female 44 plus XX. Clear? 44 plus XX. Clear? During gamete production it produces 22 in this side, 22 in this side. Here X, here Y. Okay, try to guess my resistance. 22 in this side, 22 in this side. Here X, here another X. When this one combines with this, 44 plus XX. When this is 44 plus XY. These are which gametes? These are which one? Parent. Try to understand. This one is which one? Normal gamete. Okay, you know normal gamete contain 22, which one? Autosomes and one sex chromosome. We can call it 23, total 23 number. In case of human. Try to guess my dear. Then you can call it normal gamete. There it is. Normal XX, matlab female. And this is normal male with which Y? XY. Total 46 chromosomes. Here 46 chromosomes. Right? Understand this? Okay, try to guess matter. In normal human male, 44 plus XY. Okay, it produces two types of gametes, that is 22 plus X, 22 plus Y. Normal gametes, we can call that sperm. And which one, apart from that, which one, normal female, 44 plus XX, produce two types of gametes, that is which one, 22 plus X, 22 plus X. Okay, try to guess matter. When which one, male gamete 22 plus X combines with the female gamete 22 plus X, it produces a normal female, that is 44 plus XX. Okay, when a normal male gamete, that is sperm, 22 plus Y combines with a normal ovum, that is 22 plus X, it produces a normal male having which one, 44 plus XY. This is a normal procedure. Okay, try. Try to guess mind. Very interestingly, which one? If you're talking about Klinefelter syndrome, what is that? Try to understand. This is a which one? Normal male. Okay, try to guess my dear. Yes, which one? Normal female or only female? You can write. Try. Okay, which one? Try to guess my dear. Here it produce 22 in this side, 22 in this side. And try to guess my during crossing over, this X chromosome is which one, not separated from Y chromosome. This is X chromosome is not separated from which chromosome? Y chromosome. This means it goes to which side? One side. Yes, try to understand which one. Try to guess my. This is XY. This X chromosome and Y chromosome undergoes whichever crossing over during which is meiosis. And after crossing over they should separate out, but here when X chromosome undergoes which one, crossing over with the Y chromosome, they do not which out, separate out. Okay, if they do not separate out, they are entered to which side? One side. Okay, and try to guess another side, 22 plus 0, because the two sex chromosomes comes to this side. Yes. Okay, we can call that abnormal meiosis. Okay, which one? This is which one? Abnormal meiosis. We can call that abnormal meiosis. Okay, try to guess minor. We can call that which meiosis? Abnormal meiosis, and produce which gametes? Abnormal gametes. In one side, 24 chromosomes. In one side, 22 chromosomes. Yes. Okay, try to understand here. Normal meiosis is there. 22 plus X, 22 plus X. Okay, try to guess my dear. If this one combines with this, when this one combines with this, okay, it produces 44 plus X, X, Y. Okay, that means when 44 plus X, X, Y comes, that means we can call that Klinefelter's syndrome. Okay, try to guess my dear. Very interesting this one. Okay, try to guess. The process is called abnormal meiosis. And what is formed? Abnormal. From male they are produced. We can call that abnormal sperm. From female they are coming out. We can call that abnormal. Sorry. These are normal, 22 plus X, 22 plus X. Yes, these are called normal ovum. Okay, try to guess mine. This is an example of Klinefelter syndrome. Let us focus. You can write this here. When a abnormal sperm, this sperm, that is 22 plus XY, 22 plus XY, combines with a normal ovum, that is 22 plus X, then it produces Klinefelter's syndrome. In bracket 44 plus XXY. Again repeating. Okay, when which one? Abnormal sperm produced by which meiosis? Abnormal meiosis. that is 22 plus xy. 22 plus xy combines with a normal ovum, that is 22 plus x. It produces Klinefelter syndrome, that is 44 plus xxy. Clear? 100%. This is parent. Okay, this is which one? Abnormal sperm in this side. In this side, which one? They are coming from the female. They are normal, containing 23 chromosomes. That is normal ovum. Okay, and the which one? F1 hybrid is Klinefelter syndrome. Going with which syndrome? Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, clear? Try to focus. Take another example. Okay, sometimes here abnormal sperm is produced. Sometimes abnormal ovum also produced. Try to understand. Okay, this is which one? Again heading, same heading. Normal male, normal female. Chromosome is 44 plus XY. Which one? In case of female, that is which one? Chromosome is 44 plus XX. Okay, try to guess, madam. We are talking about which meiosis? Abnormal meiosis in case of female. Try to guess. In one side, it is which one? 22 in this side, 22. Here, X chromosome, which one? Do not separate from another X chromosome. Yes, so two X chromosomes enters into which one? One side or one sperm. By which meiosis? Abnormal meiosis. Matlab which one? One side 22 plus XX and another side 22 plus 0. Yes, this process is called abnormal meiosis and produce abnormal ovum. Which ovum? Abnormal ovum. Here one ovum contains 24 chromosomes instead of 23. Here another ovum contains 22 chromosomes instead of 23. Clear? 100%. Let us focus next one. In this side, here normal meiosis. Try to focus, my dear. In this side 22, in this side 22, in this side X, in this side Y. Clear? Try to focus, my dear. This is, so we can call that here. What is that? 23, 23. Normal sperm. Okay, try to guess on when this one sperm, this one ovum combines. We can call that 44 plus XXY. Okay, try to guess, my dear. We can call that Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, when a normal sperm 22 plus Y combines with a which ovum? Abnormal ovum, that is 22 plus XX, then it produces Klinefelter syndrome. Just write this. When a normal, when a which one? Normal sperm, that is 22 plus Y, combines with a abnormal ovum. Okay, that is abnormal ovum, that is 22 plus XX. It produce, then it produce what is that? Klinefelter's syndrome. It produce Klinefelter syndrome. Clear? Again, just repeating. When abnormal ovum 22 plus XX combined with a normal sperm, that is 22 plus Y, then it produces syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. Clear? So this is 100% okay. Try to guess, madam. I can add another point here. What is that point? If we think about that point, try to understand what is that. It is takes place due to which meiosis? Abnormal meiosis. Entire process. In one side, in case of male, abnormal meiosis, then Klinefelter syndrome occurs, and try to guess when which one abnormal meiosis occurs. In case of female, then it also produces Klinefelter syndrome. The next point, it is due to abnormal gametes. These are which gametes? Abnormal gametes. Ovum is a gamete, and which on the last part, sperm is also a gamete. It is due to abnormal gametes produced by which meiosis? abnormal meiosis. Okay, so another point you can in Klinefelter syndrome, it is due to abnormal gamete produced by which meiosis? Abnormal meiosis. This is abnormal meiosis. Yes, clear? And try to guess matter. If we taking another point, if we add another point, what is that? It is due to non-disjunction. What is non-disjunction? Matlab? Try to guess matter. Which one here? One X chromosome, one X chromosome, two X chromosome. One should enter this side, another should enter this side, but they are not separated. Matlab they are not separated means non-disjunction. Okay, if they separate, we can call it disjunction. Try to guess. If they do not separate, they are attached with each other, we can call it which disjunction? Non-disjunction. So it is due to non-disjunction of sex chromosomes. It is due to non-disjunction of which chromosomes? Sex chromosomes. Yes, they do not separate. Matlab which one? They do not separate. Matlab they don't separate. So that is called non-disjunction of sex chromosomes during gamete production. Okay, try to make another point. Okay, it is due to non-disjunction of sex chromosome during gamete production. Okay, clear play. Which one? This is clear. So this is basic fundamental about which one? Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, clear. The first we can talk about is which one? It is identified by H.F. Klinefelter in the year of 1942. It is which disorder? Autosomal disorder. Okay, try to guess matter. It is due to non-disjunction of sex chromosomes during which production? Gamete production. Clear? Try to guess matter. Now we are talking about the symptoms. Now we are talking about the symptoms. What are the symptoms? The first symptom. The first symptom. Symptoms. Try to understand. We're talking about one by one symptoms. Under developed testes. You know the testes? The testes? The plural is testes. The testes are small in size. Underdeveloped testes. Okay. Try to guess my dear. If we take on the next one. The next one. What is that? Okay. These are tall in texture. Texture. If you take about height. Okay. Try to guess height is more. Okay. Than normal males. Okay. Next one. Loss of facial hair. Okay, which one? Try to guess. Which one? There is loss of facial hair. In the face they don't have hairs. Matlab they lost which one? Mustache as well as beard. They lost beard and mustache. Clear? Try to guess. My mustache not available and beard. Okay, so we can call that loss of facial hair, or we can write out loss of which one? Beard and mustache. They have feminine voice. Okay, they have feminine voice. Matlab their tones are like which one? Females. Tone of the females. We can call that feminine voice, or we can call that which one? Sweet voice. Okay, try to guess my dear. Very interesting. They have feminine voice, or which voice? Sweet voice. Okay, next one. We take on the next part. Development of mammary gland in this type of males. Development of mammary gland, matlab which one? There is which one? Increase in the size of the which one? Mammary gland in case of which one? Males. Okay, this type of disorder is called gynecomastia. Okay, if a mammary gland develops in case of male, this disorder is called which one? Gynecomastia. Okay, and which one? Gynecomastia is seen, that means development of mammary gland in case of male. Okay, try to guess my dear. Next one is called which one? Thinning body hairs. Normally males have which one? Reach in body hairs, but in these males which one body hairs are present which one in rare places. Matlab one here, like this. Okay, thinny body hairs. Okay, next one. These are sterile males. Sterile means matlab they don't make a female pregnant. They make a female, they are unable to make a female pregnant. They are sterile males. Okay, or incapable for sexual relation. Okay, they are incapable. Okay, try to guess my dear. So we can call that these are sterile males. Okay, next one. Mentally retarded. Mentally retarded means the brain do not work. Mentally retarded. Okay, the brain do not works. Okay, try to guess my dear. Very interestingly, low intelligence. Then which one? No IQ, no intelligence. Try to guess my dear. So these are the basic symptoms we can found those males which are going with Klinefelter syndrome. First one, there are underdeveloped testes, small size testes. Which one? Tall in texture, and which one? Loss of facial hair, matlab there is no beard and mustache. Okay, feminine voice, development of mammary gland in case of males. Important point. That is which one? Gynecomastia. Try to focus on thinny body hairs, and try to these are sterile males, matlab means unable to make a female pregnant, and try to focus minor mentally retarded, low intelligence. Okay, and try to focus another important point. Out of 1 in every 500 baths. Okay, try to guess on out of the 500 baths, 1 in every 500 baths affected with Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, try to guess my if 500 childs are birth, out of that 1 is affected with the syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, clear? So this is the basic fundamental about Klinefelter syndrome as well as chromosomal disorder. Okay, and try to focus one thing, my dears. Please subscribe my channel, to which one after that I will be stimulated to give more videos to you. Thank you.